Uqetha lomrholi weOperation Dudula uNhlanhla Lux Dlamini uadvocate Ike Khumalo uthudaniswe emapholisa ngokubadurhisa. Advocate Khumalo uthi bebanethemba lokuthi namhlanje kuzokuraga icala lika Dlamini ngemva kokubotjhwa kaDlamini izolo ebusuku ngamacala okugcekeza ukweba nokona ipahla.
They've taken their 48 hours grace period to bring him on Monday. But yesterday they've assured us that they were going to bring him today. So that's why we are here. We thought that, by today he will be ready to go. So unfortunately, we'll wait for them on Monday. They'll find us here. We'll be ready on Monday.
Ngelesithathu iqhegu livulele uDlamini amacala okuphula nokungena ngongemthetho ukuthusela nokubetha emapholiseni weDobsonville eSoweto. Amacala layo avulwe liqhegu elithe batsho amalunga weDudula aphule umzakhe amsola ngokuthengisa indakamizwa.
Dudula, they are not legal practitioners. All they do, they call the police. If the police, I'm not saying they didn't get a search warrant. If they didn't get a search warrant, that cannot be placed on the door of Dudula. Dudula goes to the police and says, we want to do a search warrant. Like as honorable citizens, we've seen somebody selling drugs. Here he is. Come, let's go together. So that's what they do.
Namhlanje amalunga weOperation Dudula bekatjhagala ngaphandle kwepolisteyitjhi Johannesburg lapho kuvalelwe khona uDlamini.